Punkin Chunkin, the art of creating machines to launch suborbital squash. And boy, do we have some machines for you today. We're here in Howard, PA today at the beach in Bald Eagle State Park. We're here with several thousand other visitors for the Howard Volunteer Fire Company's annual Punkin Chunkin Fall Festival. This festival is free admission with free parking, although the fire company accepts donations as you're leaving the parking area, and is the major annual fundraiser for the fire company. There are over 100 food and craft vendors here today. You literally could not leave without finding something you like, even if you were a pickier eater than me. But the main attraction at the festival are the Punkin Chunkin machines. This year features teams from all around the country: North Carolina, Connecticut, and even the 3-time world champion and the holder of the Guinness Book World Record for the farthest pumpkin shot and the first shot of a pumpkin over 1 mile, the Big 10-inch, an air cannon with a 90-foot-long barrel. The Howard Fire Company even has their own air cannon, Chunkinology, out for the day. There are some smaller trebuchets set up where you can launch your own pumpkins on a ballistic journey, and even one just for the kids. Not to mention, plenty of ammunition.
Orange crusher speakers getting ready to fire. They're going to fire a little pumpkin this time, see if we get it way out there, guys. Oh, yeah. Safety's off and getting ready. 3, 2, 1. Up next is my little dog, too.
When the water comes in, they can swim in here.
Safety off.
They're coming in.
3, 2, 1. Oh, dog, get bugging up there.
Oh, there it is. Coming down, coming down.
Boy, that man's black. There's a million. All right, and your little dog dude is getting ready to throw. That boat don't want to move. It's going to hit it. And this pumpkin's brought to you by McDonald's of Milesburg. Safety's off. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I've got some distance there. This is Punkin being drawn out of a cannon. This Punkin brought to you by Short Fire Safety. I think he's going to hit the bridge this time. What do you think, Tyler?
I would say at least the bank over there.
Oh, yeah. They're dropping it down. Safety's off. This is the Bay Area getting ready to shoot. 3, 2, 1. All right, and your little dog is ready to fire. Safety's on. Just hold the safety to get ready. 3,
Oh, these. Let me try.
3, 2, 1.
Let me smash this stick real quick.
All right, the safety's off. They're getting ready. This Punkin brought to you by Punkin Cat Family. Three, two, one. Getting ready here. 3, 2. This will be Team Carbo, North Carolina, on the right side.
I know.
Well, thanks for taking the time to come along today. Make sure you give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe so you can check out all of our day trip ideas around the Mid-Atlantic. Till next time, as always, have a great week.